Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ami Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're about to learn how to convert your funds on Coinbase Pro. Click on Trade at the top of your screen. Choose the asset you would like to convert your funds to by clicking on Select Market. In this case, we're buying USDT. Enter the amount and click on Place Order. Go back to your wallet by clicking on Portfolio in order to confirm your purchase. For more information on how to convert your funds using Coinbase Pro, get in touch with our support team at endotech.io. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.